Let's start again with brief introductions, and then what are maybe the top three projects that you're looking at within the next, say, 12 months. So, Darcy, I don't know if I could start with you.
So, our primary needs at this time tends to be in our water and sewerage area. Secondly, in the area of energy, and thirdly, I think in the area of our sugar cane industry. There are, of course, other needs, particularly in housing, and maybe I can talk about that a little bit if we get the chance. But in the area of water and sewerage, we have to do a major replacement of our water mains because they've been there for a long time, so we're getting a lot of leakage of the water. The estimates vary from all sorts of things up to size 40% of the water going to waste because of the poor quality of the pipes. And so that's a major project to replace those faulty mains.
We have decided that we're not going to invest more in more hotels. We can do that, the demand is there, but we say, okay, we're going to make a major investment to close the gap between the 5-star hotels and the rest of the island. So as government, we are investing a lot in infrastructure projects. When we enter into government, we have sit with all the major players in Aruba, private sector, and we have invited architects from all around the world, the APAs, American Planning Association, architects from the Dutch side, from Spain, all over the world to come to Aruba and let us make a master plan for Aruba for the coming 10 years. So we did that. It took us more than a year to make that master plan. And from that master plan, we identified a lot of projects that government is going to do. So we are busy with 82 projects on Aruba, from 1 million to 300 million projects. And from that 82 project, we divided in 6 major focal points. So that's our cities, Oranjestad, San Nicolas, major investment in the city. As you see, as all Caribbean island has problem that the cities are not up to the standard that we want. We are renovating our schools, making new schools. We are renovating our government buildings, roads, ports, the airport. So all these 82 projects we are doing by funding of our own budget, but some of these projects will be PPP.
In conjunction with the line ministries, the P3 unit came up with a pipeline of over 90 projects with a value of $5 billion US. We have approval, cabinet approval, to do about 20 projects, which is quite a bit for a new unit, a new program. And these projects span transportation, utilities, social infrastructure, and accommodations. We have approval to do concessions in 2 airports, to do 4 highways, a marine port, and what is badly needed, a mass transit system. Okay? Under utilities, we have approval to do an open access broadband system. We're also looking at a solid waste project to remove the landfill, basically, a solid waste project. We're not looking at waste to energy because I smile here, but Trinidad is a little blessed with energy. We have a cheap source of energy, so we feel that waste to energy may not be able to compete with our subsidies. So we are looking at something called a zero integrated waste energy project where total recycling will be done downstream in the dump, and the developer will ship out, will recycle and ship out of Trinidad the plastics, aluminum, whatever. And the organic material the government would be obligated to buy. and there will be just a small inert material. So this is a technology we are looking at.